announce the overall top 3 positions. The third position has been obtained by Muhammad Ahmed Amir, son of Amir Mahmood, from Wabda Town High School for Boys, Gujranwala. He has obtained 1187 marks. His roll number is 421546. Overall, the second position has been obtained by Zain Akram, son of Muhammad Akram, from Fauji Foundation Model School for Boys, Shakargarh, Narowal. He has obtained 1188 marks. His roll number is 481989. The overall first position is shared by two daughters of the nation. The first one is Sadika Almas, daughter of Muhammad Abu Bakr, from A+ School System for Girls, Gujranwala. She has obtained 1190 marks and her roll number is 498958. Her first position is shared by Adina Rashid, daughter of Rashid Mahmood, Future Vision Secondary School for Girls 08724. If let's say at any point I had either missed telling the roll number or if I had missed anything, these results are available on our social wishes for the future, our prayers, wishes.